So we're going to jump into the takedown pin and pivot pin. There is springs and detents in both of these. There is a tool that makes the front quite a bit easier. Looks like this. So we'll jump right into it. So if you look through there, you can see my finger moving behind there. So those holes line up. So then what you're going to do is you're going to rotate it, the whole thing down, and insert your spring through the hole. And it drops in, and then you take your detent and you drop it in. Now we just take our skinny little punch, have your pivot pin ready, push this down, and then just simply rotate the whole thing up. And what that does is it traps that detent in, but leaving you room to push your pivot pin on. So make sure that your channel is facing towards the detent when you start to push it in, or you'll get a surprise. And now you just push it in like so. And now you can pull this out of the way. Just rotate this, make sure it's in the groove. There it goes. This can come out of the way, and now your pivot pin is installed and your detent is compressed. There we go, works like a charm. So now we'll jump to the back. Same thing, except because I'm using a threaded hole in the back, let's see if that's going to zoom in on that. With a 440 set screw, I'm going to take that much of these coils out so that I don't increase the spring tension. Now this one you do a little backwards. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your takedown pin and you're just going to insert it, since you're coming through the back, right here in this hole. Right that's what there. She said.
That's what she said.
Really? This is good. Well played. So you drop your detent in, take your spring that you just trimmed. I like to put the back side of the spring that I cut back. Now you take your Allen wrench with your set screw on it and you just push the spring down and start turning. So hold it in place, start turning, and just make it flush like that. There we go. Check. Yep, just enough tension to hold it, but not too much. That covers the detent, or I'm sorry, the takedown and pivot pins.